Traveling internationally can be one of the most exciting experiences of your life. But before you jump on a plane, there are some essential things you need to ensure your trip goes smoothly. In this video, we're breaking down the must-have items for any international traveler, from your passport to smart packing tips. Whether you're a first-time traveler or a seasoned adventurer, these tips will make your journey stress-free and enjoyable. The most important thing you need, obviously, is your passport. Make sure it's up to date and check the expiration date well before your trip, as some countries require that it's valid for 6 months beyond your entry. Along with your passport, print out copies of all your important documents, boarding passes, hotel reservations, and travel insurance. It's a good idea to store these digitally as well, either in your email or on an app in case you lose the hard copies. Having everything organized ahead of time is a game changer when going through airport security or customs. Next, you'll need to plan your finances. Always have a mix of local currency and credit cards with you. Many places, especially in smaller towns or markets, might not accept cards, so having some cash on hand is essential. It's also wise to notify your bank about your travel plans so your cards aren't flagged for suspicious activity. Consider getting a travel card with no foreign transaction fees to save money on every purchase abroad. Pro tip: avoid currency exchange booths at airports. They often have poor rates. Use ATMs or pre-order currency at home instead. Packing smart is key to a hassle-free trip. Start by packing lightweight, versatile clothing that you can layer depending on the weather at your destination. A small first aid kit with medication, hand sanitizer, and sunscreen can save you a lot of trouble on the go. Don't forget to pack universal power adapters and charging cables for your devices. Another must-have is a durable suitcase or travel bag, something that can hold all your gear while being light and easy to carry around. Compression bags and packing cubes are great for maximizing space in your luggage. And remember, if you're traveling with electronics, check the voltage at your destination so you can bring any necessary converters. Before you travel, it's essential to take a few health precautions. Depending on where you're going, you might need vaccinations or preventive medications. Make sure to check this well in advance. Carry a travel-sized health kit, including essentials like motion sickness tablets, painkillers, and any prescription medications you need. It's also a good idea to get travel insurance that covers health emergencies abroad. This could save you from a huge bill in case of an accident. Lastly, make sure you have a plan for any necessary COVID-19 tests or vaccinations, as requirements vary from country to country. In today's digital age, your phone can be one of your most important travel tools. Download maps, language translation apps, and travel apps before you leave. Offline maps are especially useful if you don't plan to have data access abroad. If you'll need your phone for work or regular communication, look into an international SIM card or a portable Wi-Fi device to stay connected on the go. Many travelers also use digital boarding passes and hotel check-ins, so keeping your phone charged and ready is a top priority. Don't forget a power bank. Finally, to make the most out of your international trip, spend a little time learning about the local culture. Basic phrases in the local language can go a long way, and people appreciate when you make an effort. Do some research about common customs and etiquette to avoid unintentional faux pas, especially when it comes to tipping, greetings, and dress codes in more conservative countries. Adapting to local norms not only enriches your experience, but also helps you navigate social situations smoothly. Now that you're prepared with all the essentials, you can travel with confidence and focus on enjoying the adventure. Traveling internationally doesn't have to be overwhelming. Just make sure you're organized and have the right gear. Whether you're off to explore new cities or relax on tropical beaches, these tips will set you up for a smooth and memorable journey. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest travel tips and guides. Also, let us know in the comments what your top travel essentials are or if you have any questions. And if you're ready for more travel inspiration, check out our next video where we share tips on how to pack light for a long trip. Safe travels, and see you next time.